Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to enable the simple mode at the Huawei P20 Lite. So the simple mode is for maybe older people which don't prefer a view on the desktop like this. It is a bit too much then if you have maybe a smartphone for the first time, and so Huawei installed the simple mode. So let me show you how you can enable it. So we go to the settings first, and then we scroll down to system. So and then we have here the simple mode, and as you can see here, this would be the new desktop, and you just go on apply, and now the phone is on the simple mode. So as you can see, now you have big buttons on the front page, the dialer, the contacts, the messaging, the camera, so all the most important topics here. And if you need some more, so if you want to have more, then you go just on others, and you have here all the other apps you have on your phone. And if you want to go back, just go on the circle. And you can edit also that desktop mode if you want to have some other apps and so on. At first you can go here on the plus and can add some apps, no? Or otherwise you could also change the existing buttons if you go with your finger on one button and hold it a bit longer, as you can see now, no? So we can remove the music and the gallery here from the front page, or here the Chrome browser, the settings and so on. Or we can add also here on the second page, or on the third page, pardon, some other apps or contacts, no? It is possible. May let us remove music from the desktop, on that symbol, and now you see the button is now free. So you go then on the plus here, and now you're able to maybe to put a contact there. So if you have a person you call often and something like this, you can put a contact there directly. Or if you want to put an app there, go on apps, and maybe we want to have the Play Store on the front page, and now there's a Play Store. Same thing with here, you can always go on the plus to add another button and so on and so on. If you're ready with that, go on done, and now you have your individual desktop. Yeah, and if you want to disable the simple mode, so just go to the settings, then go on more settings, and now scroll down to system again and to simple mode, and then you have here the point exit, and that means that you go to the basic regular desktop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos for the P20 Lite in case you're interested in. You can have a look. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.